Exclusive, AFM may have ended, but it seems the deals aren't done. Sci-fi horror feature Starfish, which stars Halloween and Runaways actor Virginia Gardner, has been picked up by the Orchard for a raft of territories including the EU and UK. The film, which is directed by A. White, follows Gardner as a young woman who struggles with the death of her best friend, while trying to assemble a series of clues left on mixtapes in order to stop a monstrous end to the world as we know it. Blending drama, high-concept sci-fi and horror with an upbeat indie music score, The Orchard has picked by White's debut feature for the EU, Canada, UK, Australia and New Zealand. A separate theatrical release is planned in the spring ahead of a digital release. Produced We Are Tessellate, Spellbound Entertainment and 3 Roundburst Productions, the deal was negotiated by Andrew Borden of The Orchard and Yanick, Hugues Barbier and Justin Timms on behalf of Yellow Veil Pictures. The latter is also handling worldwide sales on Tillman Singers Luzand, the upcoming debut by Josh Lobo, A Man in the Dark. I'm deeply humbled to be launching my first feature film with The Orchard, a company that are so passionate and supportive to bold filmmakers. Starfish is deeply personal to me and I'm honored it has found a home amongst their catalog, said White.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.